found it inspiring because what we find is that people from very different parts of the organization are struggling with the same things, asking the same questions, and so it was great to have everybody together and talking about those things.
I learn a lot, and the innovation, the new approaches that I hear from the discussions I have definitely enriches me and inspires me.
It opens your eyes to new ways of working. It was good to have a discussion around my topic of employer branding and to learn from other companies what they were doing and that they were facing similar challenges and also ways they were seeing to overcome that. And it's something that I can take with me and help me in 2019.
I know today that I'm going to leave here feeling extremely inspired and I can't wait to tell the team what we've learned today.